All right. So here's the thing. Career change shouldn't be an impulse move, right? I mean, the truth is we change careers many times in our lifetime nowadays. Gone are the days where we stayed at one company our whole time. You've probably heard this. People would get a gold watch and a retirement package because they were there 20 or 30 years. That rarely happens anymore. In fact, one of the things that we teach you is that every job is temporary. Studies show that people spend about 18 to 24 months in a role, and then they either get promoted or move into a different role in their company, or maybe they move on. But if you're deciding to change careers entirely, right? So not do the kind of work that you've been doing, you really want to think this through. All right. Because it could just be the fact that the job you're in, the people you're with, the environment you're in isn't right. And you don't necessarily want to throw away an entire career path to go someplace different. You also don't want to look flighty, like you don't really know what you want. So if you are making a career change, and what Christina and I are going to teach you today is how to really that you've been doing, you really want to think this through. All right. Do it with conviction so that the employers believe you and trust you enough to want to hire you in spite of your lack of direct experience. Okay. So this is something you really want to take seriously. And I'm sure every single one of you is taking it seriously, but it's important that you really have a game plan. And that's why you're here. So, I say this every time. If you're here at one of our power hours, reach around, pat yourself on the back. You're getting smarter by the minute, and that's a good thing.